I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to transfer money from Klarna to Affirm, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your device and log into your account. Make sure you have the latest version of the app for a smooth experience. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Once logged in, find the option for money transfers. This is usually located in the main menu or under your account settings. Step 3. Select transfer method. Choose the method you want to use for the transfer. You may see options like bank transfer or direct payment. Select the one that suits your needs. Step 4. Enter Affirm details. Input your Affirm account details, including your account number and any necessary identifiers. Double check these details to avoid errors. Note, make sure you have your Affirm account open on another device to verify the details. Step 5. Confirm and complete transfer. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. And that is it. You've successfully transferred money from Klarna to Affirm. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to check the help sections of either app. Happy transferring!